How to choose the best CMS platform for your needs. Shared hosting is known as the best hosting platform for first-time site owners due to its simplicity. But a feature-rich content management system, CMS, eases it further by simplifying content management. Here are some tips for choosing the best CMS platform for your needs. Consider future growth. As your website grows, you may want to add more features to enhance user experience. Get a CMS that supports maximum features even if you won't be using most of them at present. Check scalability. Growth also includes an increase in the number of visitors and the data a website accumulates over time. Choose a CMS that scales effortlessly and seamlessly to allow unrestricted growth of your website. Check compatibility. Today websites are accessed over a variety of devices such as laptops, desktops, smartphones, and tablets. Make sure that your chosen CMS offers maximum compatibility with a variety of different devices. Check the support offered. If any technical issue arises with your CMS, it could put your website data at risk. Proactive technical support ensures that all issues are resolved in quick time without affecting the website. Consider ease of use. A CMS should be able to add and manage data on your website with minimum fuss. Select a CMS which is feature-rich yet easy to use with a well-laid-out and clear interface. HostGator's shared hosting includes an intuitive control panel along with one-click script installs. Choose from a wide range of content management systems that make content management hassle-free.